when I play acoustic sets on the piano, it's kind of like lots of ballads, and I think the audience here at the Welsh Millennium Centre, they're like really appreciative of music, of the music I play.